Hello friends, welcome to our channel Planning P6. Today we are here with a new topic which is customization of the menu bars or toolbars. So I have already opened my Brahmavira P6. Open it. This tutorial is especially for the beginners who don't know how to customize the toolbars and how add or hide the more options or more shortkeys or hotkeys. So first of all, for the menu bar, this is the menu bar. You cannot add more options here in the menu bar, but you can hide the details from the menu bar. So go to this option. You can see here more button. Click on it. After that, click on it. You can see here, if you will click any of the file, just click on help. You can see when we are clicking help, help is hidden. Then we will uncheck the admin. Admin is hidden. Tools, enterprises. If you want to hide any of option from here, you can hide easily. After that, there is option for the reset toolbar as per the standard. Then reset it. Yes. Okay. You can see here all the options are here in just in one click. Then this is the top toolbar. In the top toolbar, you can add. You see here, you can move any of the option at the end like that. And if you want to move back, just go to the dots, and when this sign will show, you can click on it and hold it and then move any of the toolbar. You can see here, you can move from top to the left side bar and then another bar and again here. And for the print bar, if you want to add more about the print, just go to the more button. With the same procedure, add or remove. You can add or remove these page setup and print setup. And if you want to, as normal, you can reset. Okay. After that, the second one you can add by checking the icon. When you will add, and with the similar method you can hide from here. If you don't want any of the single thing, you can uncheck here from here and it will be hidden. If you want to reset as per the standard or default, you just reset the toolbar. Also for this one, you can add these in your top toolbar, these options from user preferences, table row and font setting, line numbers, these are. After that, you can add or delete these all options on top toolbar. And at the last, you can add or remove these all. Reset all toolbars is option here. If you want to reset all, reset all, reset all toolbars. You can reset from here, add or hide from here. Then if we move to the left toolbar, then the same options are there. You can add or remove from here. For the all, you can see here with this method. And for the left toolbar, and you can move up and down. You can move this toolbar from this option from top toolbar and move back from here and another toolbar like just go to the dots, and when this fan will show, just hold with the click and move anywhere. At the bottom, at the side, at the top, with this method. And for right side toolbars, you can add like this one. You can add or hide or remove by using the same option. You can see here, this one, all are completed. And now for the customization option, just go to any of toolbar, right click on it. If you want to add more, like which is not there, action, if you click on action, this option will be show. And if you want to hide again the action, you can hide with the same method. And administrator is there, dictionaries is there, find option is there, publish, reports, move, these all are there. And when we will go to the customize option, you can see here the toolbars are here. You can, with the same option, you can add the all toolbars, main menu, project, assign, edit. The names of these are the names of these toolbars. If you hide the project, you can see here the project toolbar is this one, and assign toolbar is this one, and then edit toolbar is this one, top one. Layout toolbar is this one, layout. Enterprise toolbar is this one, and then print toolbar is this one. Bottom layout is this one, display this one, standard toolbar is this one, and tools are this one. Like this you can add or hide from here as well. Top layout is this one, move is this one. If you want to add a new, just give the toolbar name, just say planning. Okay, you can see here the planning toolbar is here, and you can add from planning toolbar is here, and you can add or remove from here, customize. If you generate just planning, we want to delete it because don't use it. This is then commands. Commands option is file, new, open. These are the commands. You can add, edit. These are the commands. You can see here with this button you can align with that. These are the commands: project, enterprise, tools, admin, help, menus, and then unassigned. After that there is a option button. Option button show recently used command first. If you want to see first, then reset my usage data, you can reset from here. And if you want to see these all entire icons in large, you can just click here. You now see the large icons here. If you have any problem, then you can show as large icons like this one and close it. This is how you can customize, add or remove or manage your toolbars as you wish or as per your requirement with the short keys. You can, if you go there and if you have any problem to search these all options, you just customize your toolbars like this one, and you show your desired options on left side, right side, top toolbar. You can put anywhere. Hope you will understand our today's short lecture. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for every new video. Please like, share and comment on our channel how we are going. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.